Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone where the touch is not working. So you have no touch on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone that you have with all the screen like this. You are going to follow this one quick process to fix it. What you are going to do is to locate the volume up, volume down button and then this big side button. So we are going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. Just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo, and then you let go. And that should go ahead and fix the touch screen, whether it is unresponsive, frozen, stuck. It's going to be the quickest way to go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all the photos, videos, apps will be safe on your phone. And if it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying it. You can do it as many times as you need to without having to worry about the data being lost. After doing that, your touch should work, and if you are having no touch problem on your iPhone, again do this method because this is the simplest method and very effective troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any iPhone iOS software related issue. Hopefully, following these steps, you should be able to fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.